This recording is meant to go through the OMWWeb with the fewest amount of steps to get your UDO object in a project and promoted successfully. This has always worked for me without any issues in any versions of 9.2 that I've been on with UDOWeb. So first I'm going to start by going to fast path to OMWWeb, which is P98220W. This is making the assumption that your UDO has been requested to publish and approved and secured already. This is just the next step to get it promoted. And I'm starting in DV. First, I add a project. Click add, and I'm going to click OMW project. Save. Give it a name, which would follow your naming conventions. In this, I'm just going to name it UDO. These are project codes which are typically used standardly in every project I've been on. So I'm going to click save. They're identifiers for the project themselves. I'm going to click find for my new project to appear. Highlight the project. By highlighting the project, you can now see what's inside the project. I'm going to click add existing. You have to pick what kind of object it is. I'm promoting a compose page. And it's called master data page. Select it. It's now in my project. I have 2 actions to perform on my project. If you have more than one, you'll click this radio button and it'll highlight all of them. So first step is check out reserve. You may or may not be prompted for this window. This is a setting that's, I believe, in the JDE INI settings, whether you want it to prompt for confirmation. Once it's been checked out and reserved, you'll see a red check mark. Now with all the objects highlighted again, do the same thing under more row actions, check in, approve, and share. When this is done, all your objects will have a token actions of a circle, a green circle, and no more red mark. Now it's ready for promotion. I can do that with this one single click, or there's also a row option to advanced project. The advanced project, I'm going to push it to the next status for PY, which is 26 in the standards. Your company may have other statuses between there, but this 26 is the PY status. Now that it's in PY status, the last step is to go to the UDO administration, which is P98220U in PY, and reapprove that object. That's it. And those are all the steps required to get your objects in a project in OMWWeb promoted to the environment that you're moving.